Hi, Nanala. Nanala. Hi. Now I did something yesterday. Many a times we do something like this. அது எப்படின்னா like we do not know before beginning or when we are starting we don't know what it is, and then we just do something and then try to make sense of that. We try to understand why we have done certain ways, and why that we have made it so that we are trying to understand why we have done it, and it's a kind of that kind of an exercise on introspection. Something like you begin doing something without knowing why you're doing something like that, and then you are trying to understand, make sense of why you have done so. Okay, now I'll just tell you what I had done yesterday. See, இது வந்து not a very big design and all that, okay, but I wanted to I was just working out on some the rough paper, like what I can actually do with my pen. So I started drawing lines, vertical and horizontal lines, and then these were and I wanted to uh, do something like this, that could connect, because these columns were you know uh, remaining separate, and then I wanted to do something of these things. And then while I started doing, then I realized that I'm doing something like that Chandralekha set. So that's something that's in the Egmore Museum, that you find, not the George Kotai, but that's in the Egmore Museum, the front of that uh, place there. So these doesn't look the exact same, but my mind is actually trying to do something like that. And then I started doing all these the kind of art work and things like that, something that you would decorate with all these sculpts and things like that. And then I wanted to raise another column structure here, and then I felt that these things have to be domed like, okay, because it's not always a doomed structure. It's always, sometimes when you make it a dome, it makes wonders, like that you don't feel that it's all resurrection and it's all column, and then you don't know what that you have it's necessary that you need to have wider space. It is necessary that you need to have broader space, but sometimes you also should feel comfortable that there is something that you can hold on when you don't want to fly off like that. So these are the structures that will let you know that it's a safer shadowed space that you can rely upon. And then this one, I felt this is remaining separate, and then I was trying to bridge in certain kinds of a rainbow pattern, and then I later I found out that those things were looking like a filament, and these could also, like sometimes it will only remain so, and then it might go the other way also. So it might come over here, and then you can see something like this that I have drawn. Some people will say it's a flower. Some people will look at it like the fire. So it is in the ways that how you see certain things, and then how you make sense of what it is like. So these are not the, at least these, that these are actually bridging the gap between the two columns. But here that only these filaments will be aligned, attuned to here as something like a rainbow. The filaments are here, and then you wouldn't know that sometimes it might even stand erect. So so these are the kind of patterns that I thought that I am just working out on. And later in the evening I wanted to know what I do with the spaces here, because these things are I felt happy about, and then I thought, okay, these are something that I'm just doing it, that I'm seeking certain kind of a relief structures that will enhance the spirits within. These columns I didn't want to leave it plain, and I didn't know how to do it. And then I started putting these triangles, that gives you a formation of the like something like, the crust, the trough, and the the Himalaya, the peaks, and the downs, the downhill, and things like that. So these triangles, as how you see it on the surface level, you would find it like, there are kind of triangles that so many, two are there, and then one of that is has come in between. But I was trying to make sense of these. Then I counted one, two, three, four, and five, six. There are six triangles. But as how a triangle has to be defined, and then I understood these are not triangles. This might have a slant over here, but these do not stand as how you define a triangle. So this part I cannot make it to be a triangle, and this part, the same, this part I couldn't make it to be a triangle, and it is only one of it is triangle, and the other one is a trapezium. Okay, so it's an isosceles triangle, or how you are isolating it, because it is I don't know if it is you are calling it to be an acute structure or obtuse structure, but whatever. But was just counting on the numbers, and I found that there are three trapeziums that I was trying to figure out, and then there were three interior triangles that I was trying to make out. Remember, the triangles are not just the way that I have made, as how it is always symbolized a triangle to be. So this is the standard type of a triangle that we talk about. But on the interiors we have three. On the interiors we have three. So the number is giving me about 9. Okay, and then I am just trying to get another one more. I am trying to saying that I should not leave this to be a marginalized, or something that has not been a part of the whole thing, because this is also something that I have started on with, and then I have brought them all together, and then I'm trying to figure out certain things. So now this has been the target that I had found that to be, and then I didn't want to number them into 1 2 3 and 1 2 3 and 1 2 3, as how you call the triangles and the trapeziums. But this is one of that does not come as part of the column structure. But you cannot leave this also. You cannot omit this also, because I have already brought them into these confined systems here. So this part is what I have brought it to be, as where one. Okay, so now these are kind of things like, when you do not know what your mind does, and then you start doing something, and then when you come to see, you make out what you have done on the paper, and then you will start configuring, and then you will start understanding, make sense of what it is all about, and then if at all a certain rationalization is possible, we will go ahead with it.